Since last few months, I have been traveling to various places in India and has been meeting with real entrepreneurs from various domains who have been doing business over like 20, 30, 40 years and have been doing it really well. Like they are in profits, people, community, value addition, everything. Okay. So based on this, I want to share few things today with you. First of all, when you are into a business, or this is specifically for the people who are starting a business, okay, when you want to start a business, first of all, your product or service should add value to the society, the community, the environment, or the animals or the people, whatever it is, in some form or the other. It needs to add some value in some form or the other. Okay. Second thing is, when you are doing the business, of course, profit is very important. Profit and people, both are important. What happens is sometimes in the fixatedness, okay, in the fixed mindset to gain profit for the business, people compromise on their people. And sometimes what happens is, when people are too much into, people-oriented stuff, they forget the business aspect of it. That is, they run in losses, etc. So this has been one of my learning. I met one person who has earned crores and crores and crores of money in his business, and he actually did it really well. Okay, but what he shared with me is that, so it's not that I'm a multi-millionaire or something like that. What mattered to me was I left everything, he left everything that and started a new business which is completely different. He said one line, that is, what I earned is not a big deal. What mattered at the end of the day, after so many years, that I learned from my mistakes or whatever I did or did not do, was the ethics part of it. So whatever you do, ensure that there is some amount of integrity, ethics, or some kind of values in your stuff that you do, because at the end of the day, then when the time comes, you feel suffocating. You understand that all this is for what? I mean, seriously, all this is for what? If there is nothing worthy associated with it, then what's the use? So that is what he just blackly said this. And coming from an experienced person who has run multiple businesses, have left everything, and then he started off from scratch again and doing good. So all these things, actually I learned a lot of lessons over these last few months, and this was one of the point. The next point is, whatever you do not compromise on your health, because when your health is gone, everything is gone. And people run after this and they say, I love this, I love my work, and I can just go on doing it, etc, etc, etc. Well, then universe also tells you that your biggest thing, the gift that I've given you, your body, your temple, you're not taking care of it and you are just doing your stuff. Of course you will have to pay the price. So please take care of your health as well, because that is really important. If your health is not well, you can't do anything, right? And the next thing is, earn lots of money, earn whatever you want to earn, but at the end of the day, it all depends on what is it that you're exchanging it for. I'm not talking about any products or service here. I'm talking about energy exchange. When energy exchange, I mean what sort of energy you are actually earning and what sort of energy you are actually giving. If you are doing a business which is actually harming some people, or through your business, your team, etc., you have actually hurt a lot of people and all these stuffs, you are actually inculcating a lot of negative energies. So that is obviously going to backfire. So these are some of the crucial elements that maybe in the business class or business school, or in your technical sessions, etc., you will never learn. So that's why my urge to you is, if you are starting a business, or if you're already doing a business just for some time, it's best you step out and meet the real people out there. because not all leaders, great entrepreneurs, and successful business people are there on social media. It is great for marketing, it's great for visibility, everything. But if you really want to have a strong foundation, go out and meet. And this country has so much to offer you. You have no idea. So get out of the virtual world, get out of social media, and see what in reality you can actually learn through these experiences, and then apply it in your own business, apply it in your own life. So never go by those bookish words or things. Always experience it and then take what's working for you and then leave out what's not working for you. It's as simple as this. So hope this helps. If you're starting a business, definitely keep these things in mind. All the best.